A tree that is sometimes referred to as a keystone species. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Himbabao Allianthus luzonicus of the family Moraceae. Himbabao is a very popular tree because of its edible male flowers. Young leaves are also edible and eaten as vegetables. The flowers becomes gooey and slimy like okra, Abelmuscus esculentus when cooked. Its wood is used for light construction, paneling, cabinets, and boat planking. It is also used to make various types of furniture, gun stocks, musical instruments, and butcher's blocks. In Quezon province, it is believed that eating large quantities of the flower or fruit causes an elevation of blood pressure and aggravation of arthritis. The flowers of Himbabao are known to attract a variety of pollinators, including bees and butterflies, which play critical roles in maintaining ecosystem health. This tree is sometimes called a keystone species due to its importance in supporting biodiversity. The tree's glossy leaves can retain moisture effectively, contributing to local humidity levels in its environment. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.